Hello guys, I just want to share this one of my miniature collection, which is it can be used as an alarm clock in my dollhouse. So it added to my miniature collection. Actually, this is a pendant, alarm clock pendant. I just saw this one in online shopping, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Actually, this is 10 pieces. I gave it to one of my daughter. So this 10 alarm clock is only cost 101 pesos. So this is the price for 10. So the price is 10 each. So beautiful. So you can see, small as my fingertips. It can be a pendant or a miniature collection as alarm clock. Okay guys, this is sold by Bubble Store. Okay, 10 pieces, 3D white, enamel alarm clock chain pendant. Okay guys, if you want to buy this one, it's so beautiful, it's so cute, and very good collection for my miniature again. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.